NIO's new anti-shake AR glasses will ensure a smooth movie viewing inside moving cars. The days are long gone when we relied on automobiles primarily for transporting people and things from one location to another. The field of automotive manufacturing is making rapid strides toward improvement. Things are moving at a far faster pace than we had imagined them to. Even though there are always going to be new businesses springing up with new technologies, the ones that already exist are doing all in their power to advance one step further. Even firms that are not directly involved in the production of the product have upped their game to secure a portion of the market share. There is a business that has invented augmented reality glasses that can turn your vehicle into a movie theater. Hey, welcome back to ElectroZone. Since we know you can't wait to learn more about this technology, we can't wait either to tell you more about this brand new augmented reality glasses. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. The company, NIO Inc., has announced the introduction of its augmented reality or AR glasses, which were co-developed with AR device maker Nreal and are currently available for pre-order on the NIO app in China. The announcement was made according to a statement that was released by the company. Nreal, which is backed by NIO, was successful in its fundraising efforts earlier this year, bringing in a total of $60 million. The e-commerce giant Alibaba served as the major investor in this venture. The company asserts that the NIO Air AR glasses, which are equipped with anti-shake technology, will give results that are equal to watching 3D movies at a distance of 4 meters from a screen that is 130 inches in size. According to a statement that was issued by NIO, the AR glasses combine well with an immersive sound system and are an integral component of Pano Cinema, which is NIO's creation of a panoramic digital cockpit. The glasses come with anti-glare technology and can be easily operated on an augmented reality interface known as XROS by utilizing Nomi, the NIO Air Ring, or an app created exclusively for AR use. Additionally, the glasses are equipped with anti-glare technology. NIO has indicated that it intends to engage with content suppliers to enhance the visual material and interactive apps that are accessible on the AR glasses. This improvement will be made possible thanks to NIO's intentions to collaborate with content providers. NIO has indicated that it intends to engage with content suppliers to enhance the visual material and interactive apps that are accessible on the AR glasses. This improvement will be made possible thanks to NIO's intentions to collaborate with content providers. On Friday, the price of the share of NIO in the United States dropped by more than 5.6%, hitting $17.73. However, the company was able to recover some of its losses during extended trading, so it closed the day at around the same price. The analysis that was supplied by Benzinga Pro can be found here. A brief overview of the development of these augmented reality glasses. William Lee, the chief executive officer of NIO, gave a demonstration of an augmented reality system for use in autos in the year 2021, which could reproduce a viewing screen with a width of approximately 130 inches or 330 centimeters at a distance of 13.1 feet. It looked to be a little more than a gimmick designed to attract people's attention at the time of the presentation, and it was highly unlikely that it would ever be implemented. The early morning hours have now started, really, and now that the sun's come up, there is, at last, a chance for this dream to become a reality. This opportunity has finally presented itself. Not only do we have augmented reality glasses for use in vehicles that are completely functional and look wonderful, but they also function as if by some sort of magic. The NIO Air glasses are a fresh new set of augmented reality glasses that have only recently been available. At this time, it's only compatible with a select few NIO vehicles. Help is available for automobiles so long as their onboard computers are running the most recent version of the NT 2.0 software. Those who are in the enviable position of being able to get the software on their vehicles up to the most recent version will also be in a position to make use of the newly developed augmented reality glasses. The ET5 model is the only NIO device that is currently capable of running the NT 2.0 software. This suggests that the NIO ET5 will be fully compatible with the AR glasses immediately once it's unboxed from its packaging. Automobiles, both supported and unsupported, that are compatible with augmented reality glasses. Users of the more up-to-date automobiles, such as the NIO ET7 and ES7, have the option to update to the NT 2.0, which will enable them to make use of AR glasses. This chance is available to users of automobiles, and at this time, we will not be able to support any older autos that are built on the NT 1.0 platform, and they apologize for any inconvenience that may cause. Models such as the NIO ES8, ES6, and ET6 automobiles are included in this group. NIO's huge movie collection could only be viewed on the displays of their vehicles until the AR service was introduced, until which time it was only accessible through those screens. As soon as you put on the AR glasses on your next trip to the theater, you'll notice that the experience will be much different from what you were expecting. At this time, you'll have access to 260 movies that come equipped with Dolby Atmos, and 20 of those movies may be seen in 3D. This collection receives new films on a daily basis, to the point that it now contains more films than it did the day before. The fresh new augmented reality service that can be used in conjunction with the NIO AR glasses has been given the moniker Pano Cinema. This specific pair is only one of the numerous components that make up a very broad ecosystem that is increasing at an extraordinarily rapid rate. The only system that can have any degree of influence over the Pano Cinema is the Air Smart Ring system. To achieve the goals that were set forth for us, the NOLO system was combined with this one. NOLO is a company that specializes in the manufacturing of equipment for augmented reality and virtual reality. These two types of environments are becoming increasingly popular. In addition to the control mechanisms of the augmented reality glasses, an interactive pad is provided free of charge with the acquisition of an Air Smart Ring. The pad, which cooperates with the virtual pointer to perform its functions, may make it simpler for users to drag and tap items displayed on the Pano Cinema screen. Only when using a car are you able to properly utilize the NIO AR glasses' full potential. Because of this attachment, the interior of your car will end up looking more like the inside of a movie theater, complete with vivid colors. This will be a really pleasant effect. As a direct consequence of this shift, it is almost certain that the custom of installing a broad variety of entertainment systems of various sorts in motor vehicles will become increasingly commonplace. In order to expand upon this, we have high hopes that new independent enterprises specializing in augmented reality will reach out to other manufacturers and form partnerships with them. AR has various benefits over VR, and because of these advantages, it should become the dominating technology in this industry if more people start using it. As was mentioned before, the NIO AR glasses may now be purchased in conjunction with the NIO ET7, NIO ES7, and NIO ET5 models, and they're also sold alone. They are making 500 units available for purchase at this time, so they can get off to a good start with everything. And you will need a grand total of $330 if you want to buy all of these items. Alright everyone, so this wraps up our video for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video and want to see more videos just like it, then please make sure you click the subscribe button, and that way you'll stay up to date with all of our YouTube channel videos, and hit that bell icon as well. You will be notified of all of our latest uploads when we have them ready for you. Hey, we appreciate you spending time out of your busy day to hang out with us today, and we look forward to catching up with you in our next video. Have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.